Some of the most intense snowfalls in the United States are associated with lake effect snow. And although lake effect snow can happen downwind of any lake that's large enough, it's the Great Lakes that are known as the lake effect snow machine. Here's how it works. To put it simply, lake effect snow happens when you have a very cold air mass flowing over relatively warm lake waters, which is why some of the biggest lake effect snows happen early in the winter season. Lake effect snow can be explained in 4 simple steps. First, you need a very cold air mass flowing over the relatively warm waters of the Great Lakes. Usually, the air mass comes from Canada and flows to the south and east. Second, the cold air mass over the relatively warm waters causes evaporation from the lake. This adds moisture to the atmosphere. The moisture rises and forms clouds. Third, these clouds grow bigger and bigger until snow begins to fall. This usually happens at the downwind side of the Great Lakes. Finally, as winds flow off of the Great Lakes and back onto land, friction causes the winds to slow down. Essentially, this results in air piling up, so it's forced to rise. The rising motion enhances the snowfall coming from the lake effect snow bands, and cities and towns downwind from the Great Lakes can be in for quite the snow event. Here's a rule of thumb meteorologists use when forecasting lake effect snow. The temperature of the air at about 5,000 feet must be at least 25 degrees Fahrenheit colder than the lake water temperature. If not, clouds may not have enough time to absorb the heat and the moisture from the lake. For Weather Explained, I'm meteorologist Nick Marianos.